Hello, and welcome to another Blackboard tutorial video. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to remove assignment and test attempts from students. This process can be useful if you have a student who has uploaded an incorrect document, or had an error during a test, or any circumstance really where you need to give them another attempt at an assignment or a test or any gradable item. A few things to note about this procedure before we begin. Firstly, the process is the same whether you are completing this for a test or an assignment. It really doesn't matter what type of gradable item it is. The process is exactly the same. Secondly, if a student approaches the IT service desk and requests that an assignment or a test be removed, we will only honor that request if it's an assignment that has not passed its due date. So if a student approaches the service desk and asks to have a document removed that is past the due date, or if they're asking about a test at all, we will generally refer them back to the instructor. So this is a good process to understand how to do because it does come up quite frequently. Oftentimes students will upload incorrect documents or have some sort of a connection issue with their test, and you just need to remove that submission and give them another shot. And that's what we're going to be showing you how to do today. So, as I said, this process is very simple. What we want to do is we want to come into our Blackboard course and we want to scroll down to Grade Center. So I'm going to click on Grade Center and I'm going to click on Full Grade Center here. Okay, this is my list of my students in this class, and you can see here that under assignment number 1, this student has submitted a document. Let's say for the sake of the example that the student has emailed me and said, I'm sorry, I uploaded the wrong document, can you please give me another shot? So that's what we're going to be doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover my mouse over this area here, and I'm going to click on this little down arrow right beside this yellow exclamation mark. Pretty much exactly what I would do if I was going to go and grade this assignment. But in this case, I want to click on View Grade Details. Okay. And what this does is it takes me to a view where I have a few more details about what has happened with this assignment. So I have the date that the student submitted it. I have a grade history here where I can see any audit logs about grades histories that changed or anything like that. And I also have some action buttons along the side here. The two that we're going to be focusing on for this example are Clear Attempt and Ignore Attempt. They basically do about the same thing. Both will open up this drop box, or if this were a test, it would open up this test back up to the student and give them another shot. But the difference is what happens to this document that has been uploaded by this student. If I were to click Clear Attempt, this document would be completely deleted. There would be no way of retrieving it, and it would just be gone. This is very useful if it's right out of the blue the wrong kind of document, or the student uploaded a blank document or something like that, and you just want it completely gone. That's when you would use Clear Attempt. If you click Ignore Attempt, it will still open the drop box back up to the student. It will still give them another attempt at completing this object, whether it's a test or an assignment, but it will actually preserve that original document for you to refer back to later on if you need to. So this can be useful if you want to give this student another shot at the assignment, but you think you may need this first document that they've submitted at some point in the future. In this example, I'm pretty sure we don't need this document, so I'm going to click Clear Attempt, and I get a little warning dialog box that shows up here, so that's fine. I'm just going to click OK, and after one quick second, it says the attempt was cleared successfully, and if I return to the Grade Center, you can see that my yellow exclamation mark has disappeared, and that's all there is to it. Now the student can go back and submit this document just as they did before uploading the incorrect one. Thank you for watching.